Hello dear ones, I am Giulia Campinoti and I am a Sa'Sen Yin coach. The Sa'Sen Yin, it's called a non-methodical method because it guides each person to find his own personal path, to express it. Through the Sa'Sen Yin and through my work, I guide everyone to understand the causes of the blockages and limiting beliefs they are living in their life, to understand where these blockages were created and what to do to overcome them. In my work, I take in consideration a person in all that we are. So I work on the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual level. I guide the person to understand who we really are in order to express our full potential, in order to be successful. Because being successful, it means be all that we are and express all that we are.